This in-wall charger combines a standard 15-amp tamper-resistant outlet with built-in USB Type-A and USB Type-C ports, so you can power regular plugs and charge devices at the same time without cluttering the receptacle with adapters. Its 60-watt total output with power delivery support is strong enough to fast-charge modern smartphones, tablets, and many lightweight laptops directly from the wall. The USB Type-C port automatically negotiates the appropriate voltage and current for compatible devices, which helps them reach a high charge level quickly, without unnecessary heat. Having both legacy USB Type-A and newer USB Type-C on the same outlet makes it an easy upgrade for mixed households that still have older cables alongside newer gear. Safety is well considered, with overcurrent protection for connected electronics and tamper-resistant shutters that help prevent foreign objects from being pushed into the outlet slots. Although it calls for a deeper electrical box than a basic receptacle, once installed it looks clean and streamlined while freeing nearby surfaces from bulky charging bricks.